What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to talk about crypto for a little bit. We can talk about Doge, Ethereum, everything that's out there, but we need to talk about crypto. And there's a lot of people that are saying that cryptocurrency could take a dive. It could fall drastically down to the bottom of the ocean and then end up rising out of that, right? They're saying that it could fall down to lower and lower numbers, like Dogecoin could go down to 17 cents. Ethereum could go down to 1,500, 1,300. They're saying that it can go to lower and lower numbers. Bitcoin can go down to 20,000. Some think it might even drop below $20,000. So we need to talk about this. Now, before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description, as well as following me on all of my social medias. Anyways, cryptocurrency. People think that it's going to go really low. They're upset with the fact that things aren't really moving in the direction that they hope that it would move. Well, most people that are saying this, I'm not saying any of the experts or any of the people, I don't know what you call them or how you call them experts, but any of the people that know what they're talking about when it comes to crypto, they're not saying this. Like, they're saying, okay, we understand it could drop, but they're not panicking. But there are a lot of other people that are panicking, that are saying, you know what, this is going to drop heavily. I'm going to get out of this position. I'm going to, wait for it to go down to its lowest low and then buy back in. Well, the reason for these drops is not because, we're not seeing enough interest in there, or we're not seeing it, get enough money in there, or the value of crypto is just dropping down. It's more or less that fear, the scarcity, people understanding that when anybody else comes out and says, oh, it's dropping, it's a massive drop, get out now, don't buy, that's where, that fear ends up coming from. But it's also, you need to look at the other markets that are out there. Look at the stock market, for example. AMC was trading over 700 million shares. 600 million shares, 500 million shares in a day, 300 million shares. There's other positions that are lower priced positions that are trading 600 million, 700 million, millions and millions of shares, hundreds of millions of shares that are going through the stock market. We know that this is why crypto is not booming. The stock market is booming. You don't ever see both of them really boom at the same time. You can see certain positions maybe boom at the same time because people that are taking profits in some area are also, putting money into other areas, right? So you can see it actually boom at the same time. However, when you have most of your interest put elsewhere, that's where you start to see that decline. That's where you start to see that decline in the amount of people that are coming in that are buying into the position. I can tell you, since I've been focusing more and more on the stock market, how many purchases have I made in cryptocurrency? 2. How many purchases did I make previously? A lot. There were a lot of purchases off and on, whether it was ADA, Anchor, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, E&J, whatever it ends up being, I was purchasing a lot of it, purchasing thousands and thousands of dollars of cryptocurrency. But now I'm not doing it. And why is that? It's because the focus is on the stock market. Is this going to crash all the way down? Probably will crash down pretty far. But will it stay there? No. This will create a buying opportunity as people gain interest in the cryptocurrency market. As people start to fall off of the stock market, you'll see them start to flow into the crypto markets. And it'll be very easy for them to look at that and say, oh, these are at new lows. Let me buy these up. And you're going to see the crypto market boom. It's going to go nothing but up, So for all the people that are panicking, that are saying that, this is over for crypto, we're not going to see anything. While you're panicking, the next person is buying. All of these people that are getting out of their position thinking that, oh, you know what, I'm going to save a buck, as it does drop down. Yeah, you might save a buck, but you also might miss the rise. You never know when that could rise. We've seen cryptocurrency rise overnight. We've seen it do massive things through the middle of the night. We've seen things through the day, while you're working. You have a 9 to 5, it's doing it while you're working. You don't even see it. So ultimately, we look at cryptocurrency and we can say, all right, Dogecoin coming back, it's down what, 2% today, 2.2% down to 31 cents. Am I upset? I hold it at 50 cents? No. I told you, when this hits a certain price target, I'm going all in. Whatever I have in my account, I'm going all in. Ethereum, hit down to $2,434. It's down 1.3%. I'm holding one share of Ethereum at $2,300. Am I looking to save my profits? No, because I'm looking to buy as it goes down lower and lower. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is actually the only thing that's up to $37,000. Now, if that goes down, will I get upset? No. I'm only holding $20 worth of Bitcoin, but still, I wouldn't be upset. And if it does go down these lower lows, I'm looking to make more money out of it. So again, for all the people that are really upset with the price movement, with where Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Litecoin and all of these different coins are going to, just zoom out and look at the overall picture. Look at the 4-hour candlesticks and look at the overall picture of where it was. Yes, we see some dips, we see some increasing, we see get back to certain levels and find some strength. This is just a little bit of negativity that we have seen. Are we going to see it get down to $16? I hope so, because I will buy it up. I know that they have potential. I know that people are going to get excited. I know that when I look on Coinbase, it's still one of the most popular coins that's being traded. Dogecoin had basically a silent release on Coinbase. Everybody knew that Coinbase, the release of Dogecoin onto Coinbase, was going to be a huge catalyst for them. However, they did it in the middle of when AMC was actually taking off to $70. So all interest was on the stock market. No interest was on crypto. And that's why you've seen a lot of crypto that ended up decreasing. It's not necessarily anything to do with true fundamentals. Yes, you can understand there are some fundamental factors to it, but it's more or less the stock market was booming, so crypto markets were not. When you have interest in one area, you're not going to get interest in the other. So that's my opinion of it. And let me know your opinion, because I'm always interested in hearing your guys' opinion and everything you really have to say. So if you want to, let me know in the Discord group. We have a crypto section on the Discord group. We also have, you could be a member here, and during the live streams, we can talk about it as well if you're interested in crypto. But that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links. If you want to follow my social media, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, my other YouTube channels. I have the MP Shorts channel. I have the Matt Reacts, the Perry Experience, all of that stuff. It's all great stuff. Go ahead and follow it. But hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.